Hi, my name's Belinda. Welcome to my channel. I'm 43 and I love everything about beauty, hair products, makeup, skincare, everything. So I wanted to share with you and give some reviews on some products that I've been trying and share a few tips and ideas that I've come across. Absolutely no expert at any of this, and I have to apologise for the quality of the film. It's just done on an iPad, so the colour isn't always great and the sound's not. So if you like anything beauty, keep watching. Thanks then. So today's video is about cleaning makeup brushes. I try to clean mine. I usually clean my foundation brushes. Try to do it every day actually, or at least every other day. But my blusher and highlighter and contour brushes I haven't been cleaning quite as often. So we're going for a competition between these two bad boys. I'm not sure, still not sure how you pronounce this, either micellar water or micellar water, not quite sure. That's L'Oreal versus the Poundland, and this is an actual proper cleanser, brush cleanser that came with this little jobby. So these are the brushes that I'm going to clean, so you can see the colours. Not supposed to be coloured obviously, but you see how dirty they are. So that's a bronzer, blusher, foundation, and a bit of a free-for-all. Okay, so we can have a comparison. I've got these two foundation brushes. These are from Primark, the Kabuki brushes. Absolutely brilliant, love these. I'm going to do one with the Poundland cleaner and one with the micellar water. So just bear with me one moment while I'm going to dampen them. In fact, let's see what it says. Apply 1 to 2 drops to cleansing surface or directly to the brush bristles. Gently massage and swirl to remove residue. Rinse bristles under warm water. Squeeze out excess. Now, I'd have thought you'd be better off dampening them first. But no, we'll follow what it says. So, a couple of drops on there. Actually, that's more than 2. Gently massage. Right. I'll give that a bit of a swirl on my gadget. There we go. So that's got 2 different textures, one that goes across and one at the top. I think it's just to sort of get in a bit into the bristles, work it into the bristles. Right, so that's just a quick going over. I reckon it's going to need more than one go. Oh, quite surprised. Right, so no, it's still a bit coloured. Not bad though, quite a bit of products come out of there. So I'm going to put some more on it and I'm going to leave it to work in a little bit. And now that's damp, I don't know whether that'll make a bit of a difference. So work the product in. I'll just leave that for a little bit, a couple of minutes now while I try the other one. I'm just going to call it water because I'm not sure what it's supposed to be called. Brush 2. Now this, one of my subscribers has recommended me trying this, so thank you very much for that. She said she uses this on her brushes and it works really well. Not necessarily just this brand, just the micellar water. Oh wow, that is coming off. Woohoo! Look at that, already. That's without even doing anything else. Right, we'll give it a little swirl on this. Oh wow, that is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. So that is compared to the Poundland cleaner after just one go. I think we've got an outstanding winner. Thank you very much. So I've just finished washing all the brushes. To be honest, well no, let's just go through the 2 results. So first of all, I tried the Poundland cleaner with a little gadget. This is the result from that. Still a little bit coloured. It's got the product off, but no, it feels clean, should I say, but it's still got a bit of colouring on it. And this is with the water. Very, very different. And I didn't really need an awful lot of that. So to compare the two, so I've washed all the brushes except for that one with the micellar water. Look how clean they've come up. I'm absolutely delighted with that. So thank you very much for my recommendation on that. What I actually did after I'd used this, because I'm not sure if it's a little bit, it's not greasy, but I did really like the smell of this. It was quite appley. Yeah, it smells nice, and obviously because I've bought it, I don't want to waste it. So after using this, I then rinse them all with this. So they all feel very clean now. All the products come off. They don't feel as if they've got any sort of residue on at all. But yeah, we've got a clear winner there. Not saying it has to be a branded one. You can get this sort of product in Poundland for £1. And lots of other of the shops do them. Primark does it, I saw that yesterday. Home Bargains, a lot of places have it. So whereas this one is quite an expensive one, this is £5.99 normally, but I did actually get it from Boots in an offer for, I think it was either £2.99 or £3.99. But I reckon this product is great. I mean, it's obviously fantastic for using, for getting rid of your makeup anyway. So it makes sense that it's going to work well on brushes. So, I hope you've enjoyed watching that video. Let me know if you try it out and if you have a success like I have. Be great if you want to subscribe to the channel or give me a little thumbs up. I've got lots and lots of other videos coming, lots and lots of different ideas. If you've got any ideas of things for me to do, products to try or different methods of things, drop me a message below or contact me separately, privately, and I'll look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thanks for watching.